Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a Fiverr account. First step, you want to search for Fiverr like this. Alright, Fiverr. Once you search for it, click on fiverr.com. Now before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now with that out of the way, go to Fiverr. You want to click on versus join at the top right corner of your screen. So Fiverr is a place where you guys can apply for a job or get job. If you know what freelancing is, that's what you can do on Fiverr. Alright, now once you click on it, you can either connect your account with Facebook or Google or Apple. But if you want to create a separate account, you can enter your email over here. So I'm going to enter my email over here so you guys can also do that. Alright, after entering your email, click and continue. On the next step, choose a username for yourself and then create a password for your account over here. And once you do that, basically click on join. Once you do that, basically your account will be created. Alright, so once you do that, once your account is created, you can apply for a job, or you can create yourself a job, or you can provide job for other, or let's say you want somebody to create a logo for yourself. You can post a job inquiry saying a logo maker needed, and if anybody in Fiverr is ready to make a logo for you, they're gonna apply. Once they make the logo you want, you can pay them. Alright, that's what Fiverr is. Once you click on join, your account will be created. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create yourself a Fiverr account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.